to show you this Undersea palace. Look, I built it all. Do you love it? Thank you. And look, her sister has a little lollipop, and of course her tail moves. And look, she is a pink, and she loves her lollipop. And something is cool about this. Let me show you about it. So this slide, show you about it. Isn't that super? I really think it is. She goes straight to bed. She's under bed. I don't know why she doesn't, but she doesn't land under bed. But isn't that so cool? I really think it is super cool. And of course it comes with a blue dolphin and flounder and an Ariel, of course, and one of her sisters and her lollipop and hey, wait for me, and of course the Bastion. So this is the whole thing I built. And it has a little piano here. I'm so glad you got to see the really cool thing here. You let me know if this is cool or not cool. Bye. You have a great summer. Bye.